whenever you have an industry that thinks that they're untouchable, you have to show them how touchable they really are. It's then that you begin with the real organizing, real down and dirty organizing. That means that now you have to go to the media. Now you have to make them understand that they cannot continue to act with impunity against you. You've got to make certain that you are organizing and using words that are intentional. For instance, we have to understand that there is an act that is being done against someone. That particular act is the destruction or the ruining of an environment, of a living environment. And so that acting against that living environment means that those people who are impacted by that are losing access to being able to breathe without worrying about having cancer, being able to eat food without doing something that's going to give them a heart attack, or it's going to hurt their cattle or anything like that. These are human rights violations. And so when you use terminology like this, where you have people who are impacted in a very real way, where their lives are being threatened, that's intentional language. And that's where you make the impact on companies to get them to respond in the way that you need them to respond. This happens once a year, and people buy stocks. We recruited people to buy stocks that actually opened up the door for them to have proxies from the community. And these proxies were people who have been impacted by energy burdens, by illnesses, by all types of things, that they're able to come in and actually make a testimony during the time of the stockholders meeting. And then at that particular time, what that does is the stockholders who are not here, the stockholders who never see this type of thing, are questioning, wait a minute, what am I investing in? What did I walk into? Am I going to continue to invest in this? And more than that, they're saying, listen, I'm going to continue to do this, but you're going to have to change the way you're doing business, because I'm not going to be involved in anything that's illegal or anything that is a human rights violation or is causing problems with these communities down here. What are you doing?